Morning. I don't know what kind of bird that is, people. He's got a yellow beak, and he's fanning his feathers, his wings out. I don't think he's showing off for those guys, because he's a totally different bird. Never seen that one. Why are your wings out, guy? What are you doing? See his little yellow beak? I don't know why his wings are out like that. You stuck? You stuck? I don't see any other birds like him. Just other ducks. That guy's right there. Oh, he put his wings down finally. You hear all the other birds in this tree right here. What is that guy? He's got a yellow beak. Does anybody know what kind of birdie that is? I can barely see him. I'm sorry. He's in the shade now. I can barely see him. Hey, guy. What kind of bird are you? Okay, well, he's not gonna show us. I don't know what the heck he's doing. Hi, guy. He's pretty. Wish you could see him as good as I could. Alright, guys. Hope everybody's having a good morning. But, yeah, that guy's way over there on that rock right there. Just so you know, that's why I can't see him that well. Because, I'm zooming in like crazy to try and get him. And, there he is. With his yellow beak. Anyway. Alright, guys. Hope you're all having a blessed day. It's going to be a beautiful one. Peace out.